Well, that sounds like a Roadrunner beep beep. It's time to upgrade that horn. And what I'm looking at is possibly replacing it with one of these. It's a Wolo Full Blast. I think it has about 116 decibels on it. So this should wake up some drivers out there while you're on the road. So let's go ahead and get this installed. So first of all, what we need to do is take the hood off. And there's these two clips that you just pinch and slide the hood right out. Next, you want to disconnect the existing horn. Just unplug it from the connectors here. And next, you want to use a 13mm wrench and a 13mm socket. Next, you want to install the piece back here, just not too tight so you can adjust it later on, and then place it into the bracket over there. Before you tighten it up, you want to connect the connectors so you can test it out. Now after you tested it, go ahead and tighten everything up. Then put everything back, especially with the hoods. Just slide it back in there. Put the clips in.